welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christy and I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little girls. Since we are home a majority of the time, our house sure can get messy. So today I am bringing the second video in my spring cleaning series, and we are going to tackle the living room. I had a few key areas that I wanted to touch. Those included the baseboard, the staircase. I have an area in my living room where someone had spilt some wax. So if you would like to see how I was able to get candle wax off of my wall and carpet, stay tuned. These little baskets are played with every day by my kids. This is where we keep their toys in the living room, so they get messy from time to time. I like to just give them a quick spray with vinegar and water and give them a quick wipe down. This AC vent had never been cleaned since we moved in 2 years ago, and as you can tell, it definitely needed it. I just gave it a quick spray with my favorite method, all-purpose spray, and gave it a good wipe down, and it was good as new. For all of the kid toys, I like to use disinfecting wipes to wipe those down from time to time, just to make sure all of the germs are gone. Stop what you're doing and sing the ABCs with your little one. Baby, now blink of an eye. That's all like this. I have another video already on my channel showing a little bit more in detail how I get this chair clean. But basically, all I use is vinegar and water and a good scrub brush. This same method will work on all upholstery, so you can use this on your couches, in your car, anywhere. I used to have a wax warmer plugged into the outlet here, and someone knocked it over and spilt wax and did not tell us, and it dried. So I have needed to get this off of the wall and the carpet for the longest time, and I've just put it off. Using the hair dryer made the wax warm up, and I was able to wipe it away very easily. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I promise I will wait for you.
Your heart will mend. I won't forget about you, no. Now don't be afraid.
I was pretty surprised at the amount of things that were underneath the couch because I clean this on a regular basis, but obviously not regular enough.